honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I'm getting ready to air fry some naked spicy wings. They've been marinating for 24 hours now. And what I have on them is mustard, this Frank's Red Hot seasoning blend, and some garlic powder and onion powder. Trying to see, do I want to put anything else on here? No, I don't smell nothing through the bag. Anyway, gonna air fry it. I think I'm gonna preheat my air fryer. I'll be using my Cosori air fryer. Plug it in. Okay. Move it over some. Oh, it's sitting on this countertop tray. I can move it backward and forward so all that hot air don't blow up against my wall. Making sure there's nothing in here before I turn it on. I'm gonna preheat it. You know what? I don't really see the seasoning since I got onion powder and garlic powder and they're both white. I mean, you see this. I want to see some speckles or something. So I'm going to put some, it's already hot with pepper. I wonder if I ought to just leave them alone. And I didn't add salt. There's salt in here. Let me see. There's a lot of red pepper in here. There's salt in it. I'm gonna taste this. I'm gonna leave it alone. Can't believe it. Tastes exactly like the hot sauce. Yum, 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 yum. Tastes just like it. It's a good flavor. Okay, I ain't gonna put no more pepper on. I ain't putting nothing on it. I don't think it needs anything else. I'm just extra and I want to add something. I want to see some speckles or something. Okay, I'm gonna open. I marinated this and I vacuum sealed it. So I'm gonna cut this bag. I'm not gonna cook all of these because Walter's eating. We went to Famous Dave's yesterday for Father's Day. So he still got ribs. I got rib tips. I still got some, but I want some chicken, y'all. The rib tips, they'll be there. Cut this bag open. I'm going to cut it so that I'll be able to reseal it. I'm not using all these wings. Okay, waited long enough. Do I need to spray? I ain't spraying nothing. I'm just going to have to reach in here and get my wings. It smells good. It smells like the seasoning went all through. I'm putting this side up. Flat side. And I don't plan on turning these wings. Let's see, how many do I want? I just want flats. If Walter ain't getting none, I can just fix what I want. Alright. 2. Where's another flat? Oh, let me fix a drumette. How many wings is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's enough. Clean my hand off. Looks like it's missing something at this time. Like it ought to have some more something on here. I want to put some more of that hot stuff on here. Hope I'm not overdoing it. Sprinkle a little. I don't like it. Let me turn it off. I'm going to set it for the chicken setting. Okay. Seal this package back up. Clean this off so. I'll be back. They say I'll want to see me vacuum seal this bag back up. Let's see what I'm doing. This thing is small enough and lightweight enough for me to move it back and forth easily. If it was as heavy as an air fryer or something, I probably wouldn't use it that often. Okay, it stopped blinking so I can. Okay, sealed up. I can see how those juices were trying to get sucked up into it. But I'm glad it stopped. So it's going back in the fridge. Turn this off. And this is the iCock vacuum sealer, in case you were wondering. Okay, I'm about to stop the air fryer. But just remember that marinated meats don't take as long to cook. So it won't take the full 25 minutes. So I believe it's ready now. It has 4 minutes left to go. So we're going to check it. We can check it together. Oh, it's ready. Looks like it's been breaded. Let me push this back. Look at this, y'all. They look breaded, don't they? Nice golden brown. I did not flip them. I need the tongs. Yeah. Let's see what the other side looks like. Nice and brown. I don't want to drop this, trying to show y'all. See, both sides are brown. Got my plate sitting here. It's ready. See that? No oil, no flipping. Yeah. I don't even know why I got the cook the drumettes, the wingette thingies, whatever you call these things. They brown on both sides too. I'm sure they're done. I got to taste one of these for y'all. I'll wash this later. Not much of a mess. I do see the grease down in the bottom. Wow, all that grease came out the skin. I gotta take a picture. Got a little container of baked beans that came from Famous Dave's. I'm going to take a picture of this first, and then I'm going to do a taste test. Okay. This is what these wings look like. Look at that. No coating, no braiding. Got me a salad. My baked beans. Okay. Want a good picture. Okay, that should be good. Okay. Taste the wing. Look at that wing, y'all. Y'all hear that crispiness? Mmm. Trying to eat the skin. Don't seem that hot at all. It's just seasoned good. Not too salty. I didn't put any salt on it. I just went by the salt that was in that red hot seasoning. And it's not hot. I can add some hot sauce. Here's some. I might eat more naked wings. It's healthy for me. Plus, they season up nicely and cook up nicely. Nice and crispy. And that's what I want most from chicken. I want the crispiness on the skin. So, this is my dinner. What time is it? 7 o'clock. I'm just not eating. Okay. I want to thank you all for watching. Thumbs up. Leave a nice comment. And you all have a very blessed day. I'm about to get my eat on. Okay. Bye.